In today's video, I will be sharing with you this trading strategy that even a newbie in the financial market can use because it's so simple and yet profitable. You can use this strategy in any type of market, whether in crypto, stocks, or foreign exchange market. This strategy has already proven to have a high win rate, so make sure you pay close attention and watch carefully what I'm about to show you, because you can easily boost your account if you do it correctly. And before we start, please make sure to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Now, let's get started. So in this strategy, we will be using 3 advanced indicators. The first indicator is the Nadaraya-Watson envelope. So click on this indicators tab over here and type in the Nadaraya-Watson envelope, which is this one by Lux Algo. Put a star next to it and click on it to add it to the chart. The second indicator is the UT bot, which is this one by Yo Adrian. Put a star next to it and click on it to add it to the chart. Now the third indicator is the relative strength index, the RSI, and also put a star next to it and add it to the chart. Now that we have added all the 3 indicators to the chart, let's clean up the chart and set it up to make it ready for the strategy. So, go to the settings of the Nadaraya-Watson envelope. You will leave these settings in the input section to its default setting. Then, go to the style section and uncheck this labels and tables options, and click OK. Now, go to the setting of the UT bot indicator, and on the input section, you will also leave this key value and the ATR period to their default settings. Then, go to the style section and uncheck this trailing stop and the bar color and click OK. Finally, go to the setting of the relative strength index and on the input section, leave the RSI link to 14. Then, go to the style section and uncheck this RSI base moving average and change the RSI upper band from 70 to 50 and the lower band from 30 to 50, and change the middle line from dashed line to normal line and increase the thickness, and click OK. Now that our chart is ready, let's explain the indicators before we move to the strategy section. Now, the Nadaraya-Watson envelope indicator by Lux Algo is designed to show the extremes, or the highest point made by the price, using this 2 kernel smoothing bands. It is designed that when the price gets to these bands, you should be expecting a reversal, either upwards or downwards. So the Nadaraya envelope sometimes acts as a support or resistance, to show the exhaustion of price strength in that particular direction. Just like when price got to this point, it consolidated before it reversed, making a lower low. But you cannot use this indicator alone to trade the financial market. So let's explain the second indicator. The UT bot indicator is one of the accurate buy and sell indicator that tells you when to buy and when to sell by measuring the real-time strength of the market price movements and the number of market participants and their intentions towards the market, either in the upwards or downwards direction. Just like here on the chart, you got this buy signal before the price went up, making higher highs and higher lows. Sometimes it uses this ATR band to show trend exhaustion and the beginning of a new trend or trend reversal. For example, here on the chart, you can see that the price has been moving downwards because of this sell signal that you got here, and the ATR band is all red. When the price reached this point, you got this buy signal, and the ATR band changed to blue. Then you could have placed a long trade like this at the close of this candle, and set your stop loss at this low, and target 1.7 risk to reward ratio. If you press the replay button, you can see that the price would have reached your profit target. Now, let's explain the third indicator. This indicator is just the normal relative strength index, the RSI, but this time, we are using the crossover of the 50 mark to enter and to exit our trades. When the price crosses above this 50 mark of the indicator, you will take a long trade entry, and when it crosses below the 50 mark, you will take a short trade entry. When you see this choppy movement from the indicator, it shows price correction before price continuation, or trend reversal. This is why you need to combine all the 3 indicators to get a clear view of the market, and as well to take a trade. Now, let's look at some example with the combination of the 3 indicators. Here on the chart, you can see that the price has been moving upwards before you got these 2 small inverted hammer, which have their wicks close to and rejecting the upper band of the Nadaraya-Watson envelope indicator, and the price started reversing. And then you got this sell signal from the UT bot indicator, and the RSI indicator, which has been trading above the 50 mark of the RSI, crossed below the 50 mark, which is an early sign of trend reversal. Then you will take a short trade like this at the close of this candle, and set your stop loss at this upper band, and target 1.5 risk to reward ratio. If you press the replay button, you can see that the price reached our profit target, which would have been a great trade entry. Now, let's show this again, but in the opposite direction. Here on the chart, we are trading on the Ethereum USDT contract, and on the 1-hour time frame. you can see that when you got this sell signal from the UT bot indicator, the RSI has already crossed below the 50 mark of the indicator, and you could have placed a short trade like this and extended your profit target up to this level. Now, when the price reached this extreme point on the Nadaraya envelope, you got another buy signal. Notice that the RSI has crossed back above the 50 mark of the indicator, which would have made you to take an aggressive long trade like this, and you could have extended your profit target up to this level as well. So this strategy works really well if you implement it, as I show in this video. Please click the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to get notified when we upload a new video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.